Oke, di sini sudah ada Rubicon, udah habis selesai servis. Nanti rencana mau konekin Bluetoothnya customer, biar kalau ada telepon atau mau aktifin lagu bisa lewat Bluetoothnya HP. Oke, kita langsung aja untuk lihat videonya ya. Oke, kembali lagi di channel ini. Kita akan coba untuk aktifin Bluetoothnya handphone untuk dikonekin ke mobil. Oke, kita langsung aja. Oke, kali ini mau aktifin Bluetoothnya gini, Rubicon, biar dari HP bisa connect ke head unit mobil. Kita hidupin pertama head unitnya. Bluetoothnya udah diaktifin? Coba diaktifin Bluetooth. Kita pencet yang tombol telepon.
Uconect phone ready. Available options are call, dial, phone book, redial, recent calls, SMS, breakdown service, setup, or tutorial.
Set up.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, select audio device, language, breakdown service, SMS incoming message announcement, phone book download, voice training, or reset.
Device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices?
Device pairing.
Misrecognition.
Device.
Available options are pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices.
Device pairing.
The list is empty. Returning to main menu. Ready. Available options are call, dial, phone book, redial, recent calls, SMS, breakdown service, setup, or tutorial.
Set up.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, select audio device, language, breakdown service, SMS incoming message announcement, phone book download, voice training, or reset.
Device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices?
Device pairing.
The list is empty. Returning to main menu. Ready.
1, 2, 3, 4.
A paired phone is required for this operation. Would you like to pair a phone to this vehicle? Please say yes or no.
Oppo.
Available options are yes or no.
Yes.
Refer to www.uconnectphone.com for list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
1, 2, 3, 4.
PIN code 1234. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
People.
Adding.
People.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority. Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1.
People.
Set to priority 4. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
Nah, ini gini. Tas yang dulu yang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jangan semua.
Pairing
Mana
complete.
tadi masukin kode, setelah masukin kode dia akan pairing komplit. Terus setelah dia connect, dia akan muncul kode ini. Coba sekarang cari lagunya. Kalau mau aktifin lagu dari HP biar ke gini, dia pencet di aux. Coba hidupin gininya.
Lagu hidup.
Ya. Udah. Cari lagu atau telepon enggak dos. Dari setelah ini connect, kita bisa telepon atau muter lagu di HP. Nanti suaranya akan di mobil. Oke. Aduh. Oke, nanti setelah seumpama kita udah matiin mobil, begitu kita mau hidupin mobil, Bluetooth di HP sudah aktif, dia akan secara otomatis dia akan connect. Nah, logonya langsung ada, dia langsung connect. Nanti kalau begitu mau ngaktifin lagu, tinggal pencet media, terus cari aux, langsung bisa hidupin lagunya. Kalau mau nelpon tinggal di telepon aja. Oke, session sudah selesai.